Now I didn't forget. The shoe, love you.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
This thing actually works. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I feel like buying one is just a waste of time. Well, it is big enough, but just if you can buy 4 or 5, I really like it. It's very, it's not like the I keep forgetting the name of the usual one that we all know. Yeah, in the mouth, this one is not like that one. Why ingavuleki? I'm sure someone was using it, because what do you mean? Anyway, this I recommend it. I love it so much. I'm no longer buying the Listerine. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name, but anyway, it's in the morning, so not a morning person, hence I can't remember it, I think, but I recommend this. Nana, usijejele sihlangu. Can I dish up? Is it ready?
Yes.
What do you mean no? Nah, Bubba. Okay. Can I take you out tonight? Excuse me, miss, where are you from? Naya kokwenu wayinibheka uzimazi uzodinika. Do not look at me. Hey, inoba kuphela iveki ngoku. Ihleli pha.
Angisazi ke kuphela ivela ngoba ngingayidli.
Others now. Do you want some? Yes or no?
Yes and no.
Yes or no? Do you want some, girlie? Can I take you out tonight? Looks like Rama iphelile. Do I hate it when it does this? Like, honestly. Can I take you out tonight? Bandlulisele ushukela Mhlengi. Abothatha pha kugogo danuze nawe. Gijim. I put salt, just a little bit, and then and then I put Rama and milk, but there's no milk. Oh, where are you gonna sit there? Ifake ushukela. Ifake ishukela wena. Isiyombo. Ufuna isiyombo, sacile. Siyoyoyo Mhlengi. Siyoyoyo. Nangathi ngifake isiyombo seshukela ke namhlanje. Today looks like I've put Duchess. Yeah. Zange siyithengela mina. Namhlanje sibuye nayo xa sithenga ubisi. Icremora.
Mama.
Zamisa.
Semisile.
Umhlengi i-ice uyayiginya. Leyo bafakela yona. Say, man.
Wait. Man.
Yo, Lubanzi.
Man.
Oh my god. I just Lubanzi. Huh?
So cold.
It's cold.
So cold, the ice.
Close the fucking eyes. But it's nice. Very nice. Everything. It's very nice. Okay. That's good. That's why I gain weight in this house every day. Polish, mama. Polish, mama.
Love that, I don't mean I work hard with music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that meaning I press next time. I know it's hard, 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so don't act so fun. I only wanna get any longer sure to love. I only need a cut, cause you could die any cash. I only wanna get any longer sure to love. I only need a cut, cause you could die any cash. You could die any cash. Any longer sure to love. You could die any cash. Any longer sure to love. You could die any cash. Any longer sure to love. Ataka ni fake. Any longer sure to love. Bado nina wonder. Mimi nina wonder. What will it come true between us two? Even Shani had to. I mean, I believe too. Atakani na fake friends too. Real ones what I come through. I only wanna get.
I know you won't believe me, but I'm done cooking. Can you guys see? That is chicken. Oh, Sana, this camera. Can you see? How do I move closer? Hey, I'm done cooking. I'm done. This is the chicken, and then this is the rice. So yeah, I don't know what Kwenza Island, but this is the rice. I don't have time for this. I quickly wanna bath, and guys, I'm still on my PJs. The time now is 13:47. I need to pick up Ulubanzi esikolweni. He said I must be there at 3:30. Yesterday he said I must pick him up at 3 because I was playing soccer. I don't know why 3:30 today, but all I know, I need to be there at 3:30. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bath and then go pick him up. So I'm still fine. I'm done cleaning, done cooking for Isapa. Let me go clean up, because ever since I started this vlog, I've been a para. Guys, and please look at the mess. Is it gonna move this camera so that I can show you guys? I wanna show you guys the food. Am I too far? Okay, let me switch off this. How do I switch it off? Oh, son. Anyway, this is how I look. This is the stain. I'm trying to show you guys. This is the stain. Like, nimdag. But I'm happy because when I come back from fetching Ogutle, the only thing I need to do is to dish up and call it a day. Nje, I'm done. Okay, let me go bath. I use the bathtub because I think amanzi shower ayabanda, guys. The geyser is off in this house. So, but as a cottage, igeyser on, yeah, which is understandable because akunomntu ayisebenzisayo la baningi xa ndibuza uba icikelweni kuthiwa itya umbane. So I'm like, okay, so sihlambela apha ke guys. Iyangibhora ke le nto yenzeka kule camera because I want to show you guys. You see the bathtub? Can you guys see the bathtub? Ivascom inside the bathtub. That's what I want to say. Yeah. So, right. Hlambele Vascomini. I need to go back to Joburg because now this life not be my own. No. Let me go bath, guys, and go fetch this child because also I need to buy he told his dad he wants soccer boots. So his dad has been sending me soccer boots and what. So I'm like, okay, no, I'm in the village now. He needs them immediately. So, guys, one thing about co-parenting doesn't have a problem. And I've always said this, that I experienced a person who doesn't want to be part of his child. How do I explain this? Luban's dad is older than my two baby daddies. And he's the one who does things that are very childish, if I may say. Like a person, you just don't understand why at your age you think the way you think and you do things the way you do. And then you find someone who's younger, they know how to take care of their kids and just be responsible to get, they do right by their kids. And you would expect, like, for me it was a vice versa. You can skip it. For me it was a vice versa. I thought, because I had teenage pregnancy, for those who don't know anyway, I had teenage pregnancy. I was very young. At the age of 18 I was a mom. So you would think you would experience such things at that age, because even my baby daddy is 2 years older than me, yabo. So you would think at that time, because he was way younger, if I was 18 he was 20, you would think you would experience such things at a younger age, which I didn't. Like, the family was supportive, they wanted to pay lobola. I've shared the story, and like literally the first person who impregnated me wanted to pay lobola for me, and I've shared why they end up not paying the lobola, because my mom refused and said I was too young to be someone's wife. Hence today I'm not married. I'm not saying it's that, but I'm just saying that is the reason why I was never married to my first baby daddy, because my mom refused and said, can they just pay for the damages and not for the lobola? And initially when they came, they wanted to pay for everything. Sharp, that's the story. I'm not gonna repeat it. If you're interested, it is one of my old videos. You can catch up. Sharp. So you would think you would experience such things at a younger age, because the person is young, they don't know what they're doing, they're scared, and then, but to me it was a vice versa. When I first had my child, best, I mean, yes, it was out of wedlock, teenage pregnancy, blah blah, whatever. Okay, sharp, we get that. But I thought what I was going to experience then, bengiyilindele if umfana athi uyasliza, but fortunately for me that didn't happen. And then now I'm experiencing it, and at a later stage with someone who's even older. And I'm like, what's happening? Kanti, you know, so that's that. I guess that's where the life aina manually or whatever, you just can't predict certain things. And also life taught me this thing of you can never say this will never happen, never say never. Yes, try not to use words like this will never happen to me, you know, such things will never happen to me, you know. I don't know, man, life has just a funny way of, I can't say it humbled me because there's nothing wrong that I did, but life just has a funny way of doing things to you will experience things that you never thought you'll ever experience. You know, you hear, cause Mina, every time when my friends who had deadbeat baby daddies back then, when they would tell me they're taking their baby daddies to court, they're fighting, I was like, why? I couldn't relate. I didn't know what you're talking about. I didn't know how it is having a baby daddy who doesn't want to pay school fees, take care of their kids. Basically, I couldn't relate. As a result, my friend Uvuvu from Cape Town back then, you know, she would be so stressed with baby dad wakhe abalisa uba yo sana kwenzeka lena nale, and half of the things she would tell me I really could not relate. Not that I was acting, I didn't, because that was not my story. I did not know, but I didn't even understand about how can you impregnate someone and then decide about I don't want to be part of it, you know. But as I continued having kids, which sometimes I feel like maybe I shouldn't have, but then again, the way I love my kids, I'm like, it's okay, because now I don't want my kids to be listening to such things and feeling like, oh, you didn't want to have me and stuff like that. Yeah, you were not planned, but I'm grateful to God that you are here now and I love you, you know, and stuff like that. So I try to not offend my kids when I'm sharing the story of their baby daddies, but nonetheless, yeah, I just couldn't relate to some of the things they were saying. You're caught, you're fighting, he's not sending money for food, he's not taking care, buying, you know. I'm like, I don't know that, you know. And so I'm just reminded at how little this my son wants. And you know, he wants now, but I'm Pumile. So he didn't even tell me. He literally texted his dad, like, Dad, can you please get me soccer boots? And, you know, and then his dad told me that your boy wants soccer boots. I'm like, oh, I didn't know he has them. I didn't know he told me. So yeah, he told his dad. His dad told me. So now he sent me money. I'm rambling because it's little things, like it's not a lot. The soccer boots are like 2,000 rand, and he then added some more things that you need to get him those things for his knees, you know, so that he's more comfortable, whatever. He explained everything that I need to buy. I'm like, but he didn't ask for that. No, let's just add it, don't worry, I'll send you the money. I'm like, this is the co-parenting I know. This is the first co-parenting I was dealing with on my first child. This is the co-parenting I know. But now there's Luban's dad that I don't know whether maybe one day he'll come back to his senses, because I would love to have my kids, my son Luban, to have that relationship with his dad, because the first and the second one, they are sorted, they good. Anati can pack his bags at any time and go to his father's house. In fact, they're always calling him. When are you coming to visit? He has the best relationship. He even uses his father's surname, Anat, you know. So I don't have to stress about Oguhle. You know, his dad will be like, I've sent you the money for the school fees. Can you please sort out the school fees? And, you know, for the whole year. I've sent you money for his clothes. I've sent you money for this. I've sent you like, guys, you know, you have kids because the society, yeah, you have kids out of wedlock. Hey, sharp face, congratulations. But now my point here is that as much as we put ourselves into situations where, what was I doing? The God who planted that seed, he will help you through it. He will help you raise those kids, you know. I'm just at a relief that I just don't have to go through a lot when it comes to the first and the second. And it kind of stresses me indaba katata kaLubanzi, because I feel like I just don't have it in me to fight anymore. You know, I fought a good fight for Oguhle because I've shared the story again, but we're good now, sharp, grand. I feel like I just don't know if I have the energy for this third guy, because when I say I don't have the energy, kucenga, yabona la nto ucenga umuntu ube nesineke and all those things for to beg someone to do something that he's actually supposed to be doing. Because if I'm offering you a DNA test, I'm like, dude, I know you're the one who impregnated me. Let's do a DNA test. I don't have time for this, you know. And you are running away from even doing a DNA test. Clearly, you know that this is your child. So sometimes I just think, like, do I really have the energy to do this? Like, do I have the energy to run after this man? Because of how happy my other kids are with their relationships, not that ababo, yabo. And I'm like, I want this for Ulubanzi. But then again, I don't know. I think I'm just at a point where I don't think I have the energy. But then again, I feel like he will be sad when he starts growing up and then he starts seeing other relationships, and then he will start questioning things, and I don't know whether I should just let it be, because Luban's dad has my number. He's on my WhatsApp. He views my statuses, but he doesn't talk to me, you know. So maybe let me keep quiet and just give it time and let him do what he wants to do, and then at his time, whenever he's ready, he will then reach out to me. And there's one thing I've always said, that I'll never ever say no to him, because I'm not doing it for him, I'm doing it for my child. And the way Oguhle and his dad are having the best relationship now, sometimes I wonder, dude, do you remember when you do you want me to remind you, you know? But we were actually talking about it, me and him, the other day. I'm like, you know, I really, really say to myself, Onges, I'm proud of you because of how happy he is and how both of you are happy. I'm proud to say I did this, because if it wasn't for me being persistent, being on your case and this and this and this wasn't going to happen. Kuba yenzeki lento, but it's happening because of me, because of inkani yami. And I've shared this, that in my life, in order for me to enjoy, I must activate inkani in whatever it is. Be it I have to buy a car, be it I have to get a house, be it doesn't matter what it is, no matter how small it is, inkani has to be activated in order for me to get what I need to get. Right, sharp. And I was, as I was talking to him that day, I was like, I'm actually happy and I'm proud of myself that I didn't give up, because it has paid off. You guys are happy, you guys talk to each other. That's all that I care about, you know. So now I just realized I need to activate inkani again for the last time for Ulubanzi. And every time when I think about it, I have to activate inkani, I'm like, yo, I don't think I have it in me. I think the age, guys, I think at that time I was young, and I think the age, you know, I'm just at a place now in my life where I'm like, I don't have time for anything that is going to stress me, not make me happy. As a result, that is why I'm even saying I wish this man can just contact me and trust and believe I'll make things easy for you. You want a DNA test, sharp, let's go. You want this, okay, let's just wrap it up, you know. Let's wrap it up so that you can start having a relationship with your son. That's all. You want me to bring him to you, okay, sharp, let's do that. I don't have the energy to fight anymore. Doesn't matter what it is, friends, boyfriends, I cut you off. Minam, I cut people off now. Guys, I don't have time to talk. Angnaso. But with all that being said, we will see. We will see. I've been speaking for 14 minutes. Yeah, we will see, guys. We'll just see when the time comes. Right now, I'll just leave it to God. God knows my heart and He knows what I want. What I know about my life is that as much as I always trust God in everything, I always have to use the nkani that God gave me. Because one thing about me, uNkulunkulu mina ungiphile inkani, ngumuntu onenkani, I'm a fighter, and I don't like that. But unfortunately, as people, we are not the same, and our gifts are not the same.
whatever that we have or we are in life, we're just not the same. And what I've realized about me is that Nkani has to be activated from 1 to 100 every time. Whatever that I want to achieve, I have to activate Nkani. So maybe I need to activate it for the last time so that one day I'll come and share how good they are having a relationship, Lubanzi and his dad. And maybe now one day I'll remind him, yabo. So I don't know, but we'll see. Let me go fetch my son, buy whatever that he wants me to buy. And yeah, his dad is, he actually sent me money to finish paying the school fees, which I got again, but he's only 24. And he said, but he did send a smaller amount because that one is a lot. So I just need to sort out those things, and yeah, then that's about it. I didn't mean to vent, but I guess our channels sometimes, well, let me speak for myself, sometimes we just need to vent, and sometimes we just need to offload, because I don't go to therapy. I am my own therapy. I therapist myself, I heal myself, I do everything by myself because it helps. I really don't need therapy. Because in this my big age, I have figured what I need to do in order for me to get whatever that I need to get. Yabo? And if I need to cry, I cry. If I need to talk, I come here and talk. If it's something that I don't want to share online, I call my friends. We sit with the glass of wine, we cry together. So nje hlezi kukhona into ezokwenzeka ukuze ngi-offload, ngibe right, and then we restart the life again and we keep it moving, yabo? So anyway, I've yapped enough now. Let's continue with the vlog.
Baby, munga show true love. I only need a cut. Cause if you got any cash, I only want a cut. Baby, munga show true love. I only need a cut. Cause if you got any cash, baby, munga show true love. If you got any cash, baby, munga show true love. If you got any cash, baby, munga show true love. Nataka ni fake love. Baby, munga show true love. One love, one love, one love.
OOTD. The shoes, Shein. The leggings, Shein. The top, Shein. The bag, Instagram. 360. Good boy. We are clear. Anyway, let us go.
Hey. Oh, na 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 na. I'm crazy. Yeah. John Mogi on the picture. Oh yeah. Hey, munga show true love.
Nangu uThoni, nangu malume, gijima. Nangu malume benshi. Yabo, behambe. Ay. There's Lubanzi, wenzani Lubanzi?
Playing traces, going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You love the fast life, you like to drive, get down dirt, like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me.
Qokelani. Iphi ba i-report?
Ubuyafunda bangoku. Oh, upase i-term.
Silo ukuthi wafeyila nje ikhekhe akade alithole ngebirthday yakhe.
Oh, i-birthday yakhe. Inini kanti?
Oh, ngoSeptemba.
Makapase ngoDisemba. Uyofunda bani ngoDisemba? 7
Grade
7.
7.
Grade 7, standard 5, ne? Oh, okay. Hayi usebenzile.
Ntombazana.
Bazaa.
Yabona umntana uthreatenisa. Umuntu uyamthreatenisa ukuthi angeke uyithole into ethile.
Sefuna uzitrainisha ukuze upase. Angihambe-ke ngiyolanda ubhutweni. Kulungile-ke, bye. Hi. Ndiyolanda okuhle. All right. Sharp. Hi guys. Hi. It's 3 o'clock now. It's 30 minutes drive to get to Ogutle's school. His school is quite far because Usamargate, he goes to school in Margate. There are no good private schools we could find here in the village, so we opted for a long distance, which is fine. In the morning he has well, even in the evening he does have school transport, right? He just, now because I'm here, he doesn't want to use the school transport. It only takes him in the morning, and then afternoon he says if he's done at 3 I must be there at 3. If he's done at 3:30, then I must be there at 3:30, because the transport kumele alinde abase high school then bafike apha emakhaya ngo-5, yabo, and then imshiye ePort Edward. Then ePort Edward I take him, or they take him, whoever here at home, they go fetch him ePort Edward, because the transport iphelele ePort Edward ayonyuki. So yeah, but for now he said I must fetch him. So I'm doing that every day until I go back. I was supposed to go back this week, but I'm gonna go back next week. There's something I need to do and it's very important, and then by next week I'll definitely be in Joburg. So let me stop yapping and drive. I will catch up with you guys later when I get to Ogutle school. Yeah. Bye.
I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're transits, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing.
Guys, we are here as parents. All of us, we're here waiting. He did say 3:30 today. I feel like I'm so glad I took off. I don't know, but I'm gonna check actually. I'm gonna check on this vlog. There is not even one clip on this vlog of the top light that I usually put on top. That light, it just makes the camera. Actually, I figured that I'm just gonna use that camera. No, the light on top when I'm outside at night. It makes a whole lot of sense at night, because obviously it's dark, and you know, I want to give like because there's a clip that I saw when I was coming back from Za's 40th birthday dinner when I was in the car. I wouldn't have gotten that if I was still shooting with my phone, like you guys know. But so I've just figured, you know what, let me just not use that light. Because I did reduce the brightness again, but I still feel like it's just too bright. And yeah, so this vlog, specifically this one, ever since I started it in the morning, yeah, I haven't, and I'm not moving forward. I'm just not gonna use that light unless I'm in a dark place, or I don't know. Like if there's a need to it, but for now, no, it's okay. So I don't know if this nigga is playing or what, but because I asked him yesterday if are you playing today, he said no, they only have soccer tomorrow. I don't know, and here's why, but yeah, we're gonna wait here, guys. I'll catch up with you guys when he gets here. So it's quite a distance, but he's used to it. Yesterday I was actually talking to him, and he was telling me that, no, Mama, I love my school, I don't have a problem. It's just that the waking up, I really hate it, because he has to wake up like very early, but not too early. I guess just kids are lazy, because he wakes up at 5. So he always complains about the waking up early in the morning because the school is far. But he says he doesn't mind because he actually loves his school. Like he wouldn't want to change the school. Guess who's here? Let me open the boot. Hi, sir.
Hello, mommy.
How are you?
Mom.
Hi, how are you?
Good on you.
I'm good, thank you. Are you guys done now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Tomorrow. Hello, Mama.
Hi, Banzi.
Nancy.
I'm joking.
Shoes are killing me.
Oh. Say hi.
Hello, guys.
How was school?
Fun. Torturizing. And yeah, that's about it.
Torturizing.
If that's a word, yes.
Torturizing. You know, big torturizing schooling. I don't understand.
You. Like,
Benny,
example, 3 to 4 kilometers.
Serious.
Right now. Oh,
Okay. Are you
Want to
happy
know
you're
something?
going home? Look, tell something. Nice,
good tech shop.
I don't have money. Ufunani? You're already eating chips. You are when you were telling my guys. This one yesterday wanted McDonald's. Can't every day we must get something. We must use money every day when we fetch you from school. Uskill is captain and I'm Huh?
Yes.
At least ngoba izolo usikyanga. But usuku wabufuna ukutya. Okay. Benenza namhlanje bekhange nibe nesport.
No. Besigijima nje. Yo.
Okay, at least and then kusasa. What time am I picking you up tomorrow?
3:15.
3:15.
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty then.
So nice that you're here, hey?
Is it?
Very much.
Why? Because I'm picking you up from school.
Yep.
Hey, bo, if I was staying with you, you would think I would pick you up every day. No, you would still have school transport as you have school transport.
Yeah.
If are we the transport just go?
I mean, not that understand. Like, yeah, I'm it.
Oh, the yeah, ne.
So I can't really just do what I have to do. Go home.
Okay. So iyakulibazisa kahle kahle.
We ended 5:30.
Ufika sowukhathele. Okay.
And then that's homework. Sometimes homework means
Ayisho kumele ufunde responsibility yokuba clean. uyokwazi ukuhlamba izitya, ukukline and all those things.
Yes.
Basically.
But I don't have time for it now.
But unalo lokudlala ibhola.
Yes.
Okay. Hayi ngizwa kahle ngingafakanga uvolo ezindlebeni. Guys, let me drive. There's nothing that is making me happy than the fact that I've cooked supper. Because now, if bendingaphekanga la supper, what time is it now? Kuyobe 2:04. Safika ekhaya ngo 4:30 ne? We'll be home at 4:30. Or maybe 4:15. So, kuba ngiqala amabhodwe around 4:30 or 5. So nje, I'm so happy that, you know what, today, the spirit that said cook early today, I'm very happy. Because now I can lazy around, honestly. I'll just stand up when I dish up and that's it. I'm done. Anyway, let us drive. We'll catch up when I get home. Bye.
Balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you?
Umkhuhlane.
No, I do not know. A lot of dust came to my face. Ah!
And
I know they got the dust.
thank you.
Sound about the pen.
Lindoni.
Moto.
Okay, not now.
Marlene. Marlene. Yappy. Hey!
Nizoyiwisa.
Kunini sambiziko song. I need to do sambiziko song. Ah, shit.
Ukwazi nomhlengi suka.
I'm back to see mom.
Ubanzi nomhlengi, stop it. There's nothing I love and enjoy than being at home with my kids and doing these mommy duties, you know, and preparing. Preparing Lubanzi for school in the morning, taking him to school and umhlengi, then picking them up and then stay for 2 hours and then go fetch okuhle. I love this setup. I really love this setup. Reason I love it, it also gives me a break. Okay, for those who don't know, who are new here, I used to stay with my kids, the first one and the last one. I used to full-time stay with them. Last year, end of the year, I then took Lubanzi home. It started as me taking a break from him, basically, because I was running at zero with energy and everything. I needed to restart, whatever, you know, pour into my cup a bit. So it started as a break, basically. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take him home and stay here for 3 months and then I'm gonna take him back. But then it kind of made sense that he must just stay here with Oguhle, because Oguhle is also here. Oguhle being here at home also helped with that decision, because naye Oguhle akafeel ukuthi why mna umama wanthatha wayondilaxaza ekhaya wanibeka ekhaya, yet he's staying with Anathi noLubanzi. So this whole setup, it works that just all my kids are just here with Ukoko. You know, there's no one who's feeling special and the other one is feeling yabo some type of way. But nonetheless, I was just saying that this setup works for me as someone who's going through a lot mentally and, you know, financially as well, because I always come and tell you guys how I'm not happy with the fact that at the age of 39, I haven't given my kids a place they can call home. You know, I'm a single mom and that is what I want to do, and I'll make sure, God willing, that before
I die, I make sure that my kids have a place they can call home. But when I talk to my mom about those things, she always reminds me that, but she also got into her 40s, and we as her kids now didn't have a place to go home, but yeah, nage, it's different because she was married, which kind of makes sense why we didn't have a place, because she obviously divorced and then she had to start from scratch and so without having to reveal too much about my mom, but she just reminds me that no, but I also got into this age, and you guys didn't have a home, you were staying in your grandmother's house, and so don't put too much pressure on yourself. It will happen, all in good time, and I know it will. But I think I'm just at a point where it's the only thing that stresses me. Now that I think about it, actually, if I'm being honest, not having a place for my kids to call home and Lubanz's dad situation are the only two things that give me sleepless nights. Otherwise, sleepless night. Oh, English. Otherwise, guys, mina, yeah, there's nothing else. Like, ayikho into engistressayo mina elifini, guys. Nje yonke into, it's about my kids. I want my kids to be happy. I want my kids to go to the best schools. I want, so the major, there are other things, but if you've been here and listen to me every time when I try to be vulnerable with you guys and talk about my emotions and stuff, you would realize that I only talk about two things. It's Lubanz's situation and just me wanting to have a house, and yeah, that's just that. Ayikho enye into, guys, engathi hey caba iniphathisa ngestress, hey impilo yami kwanjani njani. No, God has been good. My kids are healthy. Like, God has just have a way of ukuphulela umthwalo, because as much as I'm going through whatever that I'm going through in life, there are just things that I don't have to stress about. And I can tell you now, it can only be God. There's just no other way I'm doing it. There is just no, ayikho enye indlela engathi ndenza ngayo, but ubona uba nabantwana aba-healthy, your kids are not getting sick for no reason and things like that. And I always say, it can only be God, because I don't know how everything is just going accordingly. It's everything is fine, apart from the few things that I mentioned here and there. But I don't have a lot of things engacaba hey ndikhala ngazo, guys, but with that being said, sana le camera oko uLubanzi uyayithanda, guys, lento uyathathe intoni le gown ayifaka apha enhloko benomhlengi, andiyazi noba yikarate kid or kwenzeka ntoni. So we have to keep on making this karate ntontoni, siyiqhine ke apha ngasemva ke bahambe bayodlala benomhlengi. But anyway, guys, I just decided, let me stop playing music and talk to you guys instead. And yeah, I want to go back to Joburg now, but also, my kids always cry when I go back to Joburg. But I always feel like sendidlala ngami ke manje, sengihlala isikhathi eside kangaka. But I love how they love me, and they never forget that I'm their mother, and they show ukuthi siyakudinga empilweni yethu and sikufuna eduze kwethu, which is one of the reasons why I stress so much about not having a house, because I want to stay with my kids. I fully want to stay with my kids. But guys, I don't know whether I'm saying that I fully want to stay with my kids because I don't currently stay with my kids, because they're not staying with my kids fully. Actually, I like it. I enjoy it. It helps me so much. Like, I get to pour into myself. Excuse me. I get to pour into myself as well. I get to relax and do my own things, go to restaurants with my friends, galavant with umfana if I have to. Like, I get to do my own things. I don't think, as much as I love being a mother, and I've branded myself my whole life with motherhood, because obviously I'm a mother, I even call myself city mom. Everything is about motherhood. I don't think I'm a kind of mother who wants to have her kids around 24/7. I'm not that kind of person. Like, if I'm being honest now, without acting, because and I turned motherhood, guys, I wouldn't trade my situation for anything else. I wouldn't trade my kids for anything else. But you are Asana, I don't think I'm the kind of person who wants to stay with her kids 24/7. I can't. Anyway, enough talking about my kids. Another thing that I think about a lot is my YouTube career and content creation space that I'm in. I think also the only thing that worries me is that why are brands not reaching out to me? I think that's the only thing. And then it's but I won't any brands, guys, because I'm trying. Like, as in born or guys, I do reach out to brands before you guys say no, but you also have to reach out to them and stuff like that. I actually do reach out to brands. I actually do. In Donlando Humans, guys, I know all these things. I know all of them. When someone sends you something that, babes, you need to do this, I'm like, thank you. I usually say thank you so much. Okay, baby, I'll try it out. But ngelo xesha andinayo Humans efowunini yam ndamenza kudala ndiqala le nto content creation. You understand? So I do reach out to brands sometimes now when I have the energy, because when you keep on doing something and there are no results, you obviously get tired and demotivated, and then you call it, like, you just take a break. So sometimes I take a break from reaching out, and you know what, and I'm like, ngikred ndibuye ndiqhubeke, because another thing, andifuni ukwenza izinto zamahala, guys. I just don't want to do for free, and Leo, I don't want to do it. I can't. Like, it's okay. I did it in the right go and funendo zamal. So anyway, I just wanted to say that that's the only thing that stresses me in this YouTube space. But then again, when you listen to people who say that I've been here for 10 years, I've been doing this, I got to 10 years without having 100K subscribers. 12 years, no 100K. Or 10 years, I wasn't working with brands. Anything abayithetayo abantu who've been here, then you're like, oh, okay, maybe I am putting too much pressure on myself. Let me just relax a bit. So, yeah, but as much as those stories do motivate me to keep going and stuff like that, it does not take away the fact that it does kind of stress me sometime. So that one is going to uzimasa now, and then after that wonke umuntu uzozithathela ukutya wakhe. Siqala ngabantu abadala sibahanjisela ukutya, and then ke bona ke bazozithathela kwabo. And then the food for the boys, we put them in the microwave because they're usually not in the house, or they're not like, so sivele sukufaka ku-microwave okanye sukugqume sukubeke phaa. So yeah, guys, that's the only thing in kakubi. Uba, I feel like my channel, yes, is not growing as fast as I would want it to grow, but also I feel like there are people who are with my numbers and they're working with brands. But then again, I'm like, you know what, God's time is the best. We just gonna keep on keep on going and doing whatever that we need to do. Another thing that made me so happy when I was I'm still at home, I think it was 2 weeks back, me and my family, we were watching a vlog that I posted a year ago, Ogutle's dad vlog. Guys, we've watched that vlog, but we were re-watching it. I don't know why. We were just re-watching my vlogs zakdala, and the emotions, the happiness, the laughs, and everything that was happening, it made me so happy. I was like, oh, actually, as much as I get stressed about the growth and money-wise, the brands and whatever, this is actually, it's something that I'll never stop doing for my family. Oguhle and Luban's kids, they will come back and watch what we were doing, Tina, or Gogo, no Luban's, or Tata Baba Kule Ganjan and stuff like that. It's a video diary for my family. Because tell me why we were all sitting there rewatching something that we've all watched, and but we were so happy, we were laughing, talking about the video, so I was like, oh, okay, yes, I do have complaints here and there about this kind of industry endingene kuyo ngoku, and I'm not happy about ezinye izinto. But the most important thing is that my family is happy, the most important thing is also that I am creating memories for my family. We will get the working with brands ngendlela, we will get the money ngendlela, we will get the growth ngendlela, just dala what you must ongezo, everything will come. So yeah, that's just one thing that really, really does I don't want to say stress me because I don't think about it a lot, but inakungiphatha kabi here and there sometimes ukuthi what am I not cracking when it comes to YouTube. And also, I'm not big on short form platforms, your Instagram and TikTok. I'm just not big in posting the videos there. I'm a long form video kind of person. I love YouTube more than any other platforms. I do post there here and there, but it's not that deep. So if there's one place that I would really like to make it in this industry, it's definitely YouTube. Yeah, I would really, really love to make it in this one. La manye ngigreat. Yeah, I know there's money on Instagram, as everyone says. It's money, go sharp, guys. Hey, go right. But anyway, with couldn't Yo, couldn't guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There was a lot of vulnerability and a lot of I guess I was just not necessarily on my feelings, but I just wanted to do something different. Siya kudlala umculo oko and just basically catch up with you guys, because I had said I'm just never ever doing sit down videos again. Maybe I will one day, but for now I just try to stay away from sit down videos. And that thing where I say, guys, send me questions and stuff, because sometimes people will send you the most uncomfortable things and you're like, yo, they will ask you, isn't it Sana, it's too deep. If I don't talk about it, let's just leave it at that. But I do want to catch up with you guys so that you guys know what's happening and where is my headspace is at and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. I am still at home. Most probably my next vlog I'll still be at home as well, because I am gonna go back next week, which I'm fine. Yes, I miss Joburg, but I'm okay because I get to spend time with my kids and make them happy for some time. But I am gonna kind of have to go back because there are things that are waiting for me that side. But yeah, guys, I hope you did enjoy this vlog. Guys, please like the video, help me grow this channel. Take your family's phones, subscribe. If you're at work, nabasebenzayo mabandazi, abasekhaya, everyone with a phone at home must subscribe. You guys don't share my you guys don't share my videos because we obviously do check the stats and stuff like that. So aniko active. I sometimes wonder, do I attract nonchalant people like me? Because guys, akekho umuntu ophole njengami elifini. Like I'm so relaxed nje, ngizipholele, ngihlezi nje ngishaya ngonyawo lonwabo. I'm unbothered about a whole lot of things. I always wonder ukuthi do I attract, because I always say that my videos will find the right people who are like me. So na ke ngokaba bantu abafana nami abakhuthalanga, bangamavila abafana nami, abathumeli ivideos ebantwini, abasubscribisa abantu. Ndiqonda uba sana inoba ndi-attract abantu abazifanela nami sozuve, because what do you mean? What do you mean you guys are so relaxed? Like, guys, please, I know ukuthi unyaka sowuphelile, 20k subscribers is, I don't want to say impossible because umlomo uyadala, but hayi sana Guys, ndiyanicela ke, ndiyabona ke this last part yeyenu. Ndicela nina ke ngoku nincedise mna, because yeah. Anyway guys, thank you so much for always tuning in and watching the ads. And as much as I'm always asking for subscribe but you guys actually do make sure Uti you show up for me every time when I post, which I really appreciate. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Kolungeleke, bye.
Nance. So ngizokuphendula ngoku ngiphakela abantu ne. Ngiyathanda ngoku. Abanye abantu bafuthi. Mayonnaise. Nansi Lubanzi. Lubanzi, stop it. Uzokubetha ugogo wenzani? Come take your food. Is that fine?
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you